Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play online Stardew Valley. First, the host player should start a new game or load an existing save. If loading an existing farm, ensure there are enough cabins for everyone. You can build new cabins at Robin's shop. Up to 4 players can join one farm, making it a fun group experience. This setup allows for shared progress and resources. Once your farm is ready, open the in-game menu and navigate to the co-op section. From there, select Invite Friend to send invitations. Your friends can join by accepting the invite directly through Steam or by entering an invite code. This process is straightforward, allowing everyone to connect quickly and start farming together. Ensure everyone has a stable internet connection. If you're joining a friend's farm, start by selecting Co-op from the main menu. Then, choose the Join option. You'll typically join using an invite code provided by the host. Enter the 12-character code accurately to connect to their farm. Alternatively, if playing on Steam, you might see their game listed directly. Get ready to help out with crops and animals. Playing Stardew Valley online is much more fun with good teamwork. Share resources like tools and materials, and coordinate tasks such as farming, mining, or fishing. Remember, each player has their own energy bar and inventory, so manage them wisely. Effective communication is key to a successful and enjoyable multiplayer experience. Have fun building your dream farm together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.